You're sitting in your car, it's 5:30 p.m., the engine's off, but you haven't opened the door yet. You just need 3 minutes of silence before you walk into a house where someone's going to ask you where the scissors are, why the Wi-Fi is slow, or what's for dinner. You aren't just tired, you're responsible. If you were born between 1976 and 1985, you're a Xennial. You're the designated adult in the room for the entire human race right now. You're the person your parents call when their computer freezes, the person your boss calls when the project is spiraling, and the person your kids call when they can't find their own shoes, even though they're staring right at them. You feel responsible for the generations above you, the generations below you, and the crumbling social contracts in between. But here's the question we never ask. Who gave you this job? And why does it feel like the entire world would stop spinning if you stepped away for 5 minutes? Today, we're going deep into the psychology of the Xennial burden, the competence trap, the silent contract, and why your brain was wired to be the permanent troubleshooter for a world that's forgotten how to fix itself. In my previous videos, we talked about being the bridge generation. We're the ones who remember the analog world, but built the digital one. But that bridge isn't just a metaphor, it's a weight-bearing structure. Psychologists talk about a concept called role strain. It's what happens when the demands of your various identities, parent, child, employee, citizen, become mathematically impossible to fulfill. For the Xennial, this strain is unique because you signed a silent contract in the late 90s that you never actually read. The contract said this: because you understand how things used to work and you know how things currently work, you're now the primary custodian of reality for everyone else. Think about it. Your parents often live in a version of reality where institutions still work, where you can just walk in and hand over a resume, or where the news is always true. Your children live in a reality entirely mediated by algorithms and 15-second loops. You're the only person in the family who speaks both languages.